Welcome. If you've ever sent important photos through Gmail and struggled to find them later, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the simple steps to quickly locate your sent emails that include images, right from the Gmail app on your Android or iPhone. This is the updated method, so you'll have the most accurate guide at your fingertips. Let's get started. First, open the Gmail app on your mobile device. Make sure you're logged into the correct account, especially if you manage multiple inboxes. Once the app is open, look at the top left corner of your screen. You'll see a small 3-line icon, often called the menu icon. Go ahead and tap on it. This will open the Gmail menu, giving you access to all your different folders. From the list that appears, find and tap on Sent. This folder shows all the messages you've sent out from your account. If you email photos or other files often, your Sent folder can fill up fast, making it hard to find that one image you're looking for. But don't worry, Gmail has a useful attachment filter to make things easier. Now, right under the search bar at the top of your screen, you'll spot a button labeled Attachment. Tap on Attachment. When you do, you'll see several options to filter your emails by the type of attachment they contain. Here, choose Images. Once you select this option, Gmail will instantly display only those sent emails that include image files. Scroll through the list to find exactly what you're looking for. You can tap on any email to open it and view the attached images directly. That's all it takes. With these quick steps, you can save yourself time and easily track down any photos you've sent without endless searching. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to check out more tips to keep your inbox organized and your workflow streamlined. Thanks for watching and happy emailing.